So let's analyze pound pair for today. So first we'll see GBPJPY pound yen, and we have a trend line which was breached earlier, like after the third touch, and it came down and it comes to this strong support zone, and then it goes up. It respected the trend line twice, once over here, once over there as well. And if we see the zone of interest for me is, initially it was this trend line, and then again, if let's see how far is. So from here to here it's around 120 pips, but there is no pullback. So we'll see from here to here it's 173 pips, this 243. So this can give, again, if it comes directly down towards this zone, this support zone, then it's a 50 fib as well, and it can give around 30-35 pips from here. So I'll draw a long position over here, and for this, the 50 pips profit, and this will be my stop loss. No, I will go a little bit further, at least 40 pips of if I'll go on daily time frame. Let's see it. So there is 100 EMA below this, our zone of interest. So I'll move. I think this will be a better zone. It's 68 fib as well. It's more strong zone, and we have a support over here with a big wick. So this will be our first zone. We'll see if the timing was right, then we can take trade over there, and if it crosses, it breach this zone, then this will be at 180.295 or 180.300 will be a good. Let's see if we have a strong support. If you see, we have a strong support at this before as well, over here as well, and let's see previous, then after this. So if let's see the timing. For me, timing and alignment is very important. So I'll see GBPJPY with Euro JPY, and if they both come to this level, on a daily time frame, it breached this previous high with a small wick. So it's not a big zone. Yesterday it gave us a good profit. So I shorted at that level with the 30 pip of profit target, so it's already achieved. And so EJ is consolidating right now at, if you see this, so this is the zone where EJ is consolidating. It breached this because of the news happening, otherwise it came down in the zone and it playing inside this zone as well. So if it break this zone, then next trade taking area is this. It might be possible it will make a double bottom over there. So this was already, we've already made this the zone of interest. So right now it's consolidating, and so for me, and if you see clearly, the GJ is also consolidating between this zone. So this is the area where it is consolidating right now. So it was happened on because of the news, the tension going on in international front. So it gives a big spike, otherwise it is consolidating right now, so it need to breach this, then the next zone of interest will be this area which we have drawn already. And if it not breach, then if it plays within this zone, then as I said earlier, we can take this is a profit taking, we can take a long trade over here. Otherwise this 61 pip will be a definitely go trade with a 100 EMA. So there are two confluences. 180.255 is big. I will definitely take trade over there. And let's see GBPUSD. So it breaks the trend line. This is the trend line. If you see a small trend line over there, so it respected after third touch. On fourth touch it breaks it, it comes back to this support zone, then it goes up. It might be possible it will touch this bottom of this zone, and this is our zone of interest and then it can go up. Otherwise if it go up from here itself, then for me the trade taking area is, it's first, this is 124,500 because it's 38 big 38 fib, and it's minus 38 from this as well. So this is the zone where I would like to take the trade, 124,530. So I usually take like 1 or 2 trade in a pair in entire week, so I don't trade much, but my confluences I believe should be very strong. Otherwise I don't take trade. I see my chart on daily time frame, I set up my trade on daily time frame, then I take confirmation on lower time frames before taking the trade. So for me timing alignment is very important. So for GU I'll see, if you see on 4-hour time frame first, so it respected the 236, then it came down, and I usually take 50 pip stop loss, so it didn't reach the stop loss and it already gave 180 pips. So I usually take my profit at 80% of my profit at 40 to 50 pips. So this is again a zone which I have drawn earlier, and it respected this zone, it came to this zone and it gave around 50 pips. As I told that I book my profit at 50 pips, 80% of my profit, then I'll keep my runner going, whether it hit the break even or it may give till my next sell zone. So this is how it is going. GBPUSD, it didn't break this low at 4-hour time frame. So the potentially what I can see at GU is that it will move up. So next, for me the next zone of interest will be this, or this area is also good, 1.24 180, because we have a strong resistance over there, and otherwise 38 is good. It might have seen sometimes that during 4-hour time frame GU gave a good response at 200 EMA. So this is 200, 150 EMA. So GU gave good response. So if it reached today at this level, if it reached today at this level, then we can take a short trade of 20 to 30 pips of profit. So but stop loss will be above this level, because if it break this, then it will definitely go to this level. So this is a good zone of interest for me. At the bottom, this is still a good zone of interest because it respected this zone and there is a trend line going. So it respected this zone once, and it might can reach to this or touch the trend line and then go back. but ultimately it will go back because it there's a trend reversal over here. So it's lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it breaks this structure. Then it didn't break this lower low until and unless it break this lower, this point. Then we'll see a long trade only. We don't short, and we'll short over here definitely, but over here I will not short anywhere. I will only see the long trade.